people see flowers as mere decoration, but in fashion, flowers are a pricing tool and a business advantage. Flowers are not just decorative elements, they are one of the most powerful value-adding details in fashion and design. A simple outfit, accessory or space can instantly look more luxurious, attractive and premium the moment a floral element is introduced. Top designers understand this, and that is why they are willing to spend hours cutting and stitching fabrics just to achieve the perfect floral detail, because they know that flowers elevate products and justify higher pricing. Another impressive thing about fabric flowers is their versatility. There is almost nothing you cannot create with floral elements as long as the product relates to fashion or beauty. From varieties of jewelries to hair accessories, dress accents, hat and shoe appliques, decorative pieces, and even things as simple as key holders. The range of use is very wide, and that is why floral-related business is highly lucrative. In simple terms, developing the skill of floral crafting is a golden opportunity. But here is the reality many creatives quietly struggle with. Traditional floral crafting is exhausting. Cutting hundreds of thousands of tiny fabric patterns by hand slows production, affects consistency, drains energy, and eventually leads to burnout. Many talented creatives don't stop because they lack ideas. They stop because the process is not sustainable. This is also why many markets rely heavily on imported floral accessories. Not because creativity doesn't exist locally, but because the brands that dominate global markets use systems, not stress. They use ready-made craft components that give them speed, precision, consistency, and the freedom to focus on design, finishing, and selling. This is where precision-made floral craft appliques change everything. Factory-made appliques do not kill creativity, they protect it. They remove the most exhausting part of the process while allowing you to design better, finish cleaner, and produce faster without losing originality. This system transformed my own craft journey, and it made me realize something important. If this approach could improve my business, it could unlock growth for countless other creatives too. In an economy where working harder is no longer enough, working smarter becomes a necessity. And that is why this free 90-day Floral Craft Marathon exists. This marathon is not just about making accessories, it's about training your creative mind to work smarter, faster and cleaner using the right supplies. It's about showing African creatives that polished, premium and trending designs are not about where we come from. It's about our desire to meet quality standards using what we have. Over the next 90 days, you will learn how to use new smart craft appliques intentionally, how to make adorable flowers and relative accessories you can confidently sell anywhere, how you can transform ordinary products and designs into something more stunning, how you can develop high-quality accessories and decorative pieces that attract buyers globally, and then how you can improve finishing and packaging to make your products market ready, even as a beginner. We will move in clear creative phases, starting with simple designs for those who want products they can easily make in mass, and gradually move into more complex luxury decorative pieces. With this practical everyday inspiration, you can either start a new creative business or strengthen and support the one you already have. This marathon is open to everyone who loves craft. That is why it will be hosted here on YouTube and other relevant platforms. However, if you want personalized guidance, deeper support, and even access to recommended materials, then you should be part of our WhatsApp community. If you are yet to join, comment Floral Community for access. And if you are watching from the community, let me know you are here. Now that you understand what this marathon is about, the next step is learning how the program is structured to help you benefit fully over the next 90 days, including the materials needed to get started. I will explain all of that inside the community. Welcome to my creative marathon. See you soon, and don't forget to subscribe to follow up this program.